Gusto mo ba ng bahay na super strategic ang location? Dito lang yan sa Lanelo Heights, General Trias, Cavite. Napakalapit nito sa soon-to-rise biggest mall here in the south. So tara, check natin to. This is Lanelo Heights. Perfect na location dahil malapit na sa mga schools, hospitals, malls at major highway. Plus, imagine, 200 meters away lang tayo from the biggest SM in the south. Kaya kung mahilig kang mag-shopping, this is it. Ang mga bahay dito ay may lot area na 66 square meters at floor area na 49 square meters. May 2 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath, and may sarili ka pang carport. Sulit na space para sa pamilya mo. At meron pa itong basketball court at clubhouse. Plus maliit lang ang community kaya napaka-cozy at peaceful. Perfect location, affordable homes at may free financing options pa. Kaya ano pang iniintay mo? Message us today and mag-start na tayo para sa dream home mo dito sa Lanelo Heights. Again, this is Mary, your property specialist from Hope Team. Bye!